All right, guys, welcome back. And this is the last and final video for this training. So I'm just going to take you through a quick rundown of everything so far. All right. So we started this with our notebook LM, right, where we talked about summarizing files and summarizing videos, right? So we imputed some files in here, some videos, some YouTube link videos in here, and I showed you how you'll be able to summarize them and why it's important to summarize them, because you really can't go through reading an entire document for your boss and then giving him a summary or giving her a summary later on, because you as well, you're busy, you have a non-remote work that you're busy with, or a family or whatever, or in days where you're just really, really, really tired or sick, yet you still have to perform at your best. Can easily use Notebook LM for that. And then moved on to, pardon me. So we moved on to Notion AI, where you'll be able to use a Notion page to take down meeting notes, to take down notes about anything. Let's say you attended a meeting, a conference, whatever, right? And then you can put your notes here and at the same time use AI to summarize your entire note. The reason why the example we used there was to use AI to draft an email. If the notes was longer, let's say we have 3 days worth of a conference that was written here in our Notion page, we can just come here and be like, summarize the entire notes for us. And you see a summary of it here and you can just run with that instead. Not to mention that you can also invite members of your team, of your staff, and bring them all in here for them to see what you have, as well as to get from here and take it elsewhere. So this is very, very good for virtual assistants for teams, because let's say you have a virtual assistant, then you have a marketing researcher, then you have a social media handler. Three of you can just be inside this Notion page, and then the virtual assistant gets the notes or the minutes from the boss or the CEO or whoever and puts it in here. The market researcher reads through it and be like, okay, the minute states that we have to do market research for this and this and that. And then from here, you can just go without having to meet the boss or the CEO anymore. Just from the notes that the virtual assistant or the admin staff put in here, can just take instructions, move on, start doing research, necessary research, and then come back and put their findings here. And then the virtual assistant can speak to the boss like, okay, these are the findings from the market research. And the social media handler can look through the market research and be like, okay, we can create content from this, create content, schedule it, and handle the content on the social media as well. So this and more. I'm just saying things from the top of my head. I'm sorry, I'm rambling a lot. All right. Then we moved on to TurboScribe, where we saw that we could transcribe our audios and videos, turn them to text, right? Not much here to say. You can edit it, you can share it, you can download as PDF, as docs, TXT, and SRT, right? And all of that. It only works for the free version. You only get 30 minutes worth of transcription, but if you pay for it, you can get more than an hour, 2 hours, and all of that. And lastly, we stopped at Perplexity, where you can use this AI to help you become a powerful virtual assistant, in that no matter what is asked of you, you can always use AI to help you answer it. So you can always say yes to your boss's request, always say yes, and you'll always be able to deliver as well. All right, guys. So that's all from this training. That's all from this class. Now, if you are still here, I would love you to follow us on YouTube, follow us on our social media platforms, and follow our CEO, Vapo Efetano, on Facebook, on Twitter, on LinkedIn, because without him, this would not be possible. And, well, we'll catch you on the flip. All right, guys. Ciao.